Howdy, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Some exciting news in the entertainment finance sector today. Cinemark announcing that they will be dual listing their common stock on the NYSE Texas. Yes, right here in my home state. The NYSC Texas being a fully electronic equities exchange headquartered in Dallas. Cinemark has been listed on the NYSE since 2007, and the company says in their press release that the dual listing further strengthens their long-standing relationship with the NYSE. Cinemark will retain its primary listing on the NYSE and will trade under the ticker symbol CNK on both exchanges. You may or may not know that Cinemark is headquartered in Texas in the city Plano, which is right outside of Dallas. So this is a natural step, I guess, for Cinemark. The CEO, Sean Gamble, says, "We are thrilled to further strengthen our connection to Texas through our dual listing on NYSE Texas while supporting the state's expanding financial ecosystem and providing opportunities for investors focused on localized regional market opportunities." Let's talk about the exchanges that are popping up in Texas. This is some interesting news. What is going on in the financial industry right now? NYSC Texas opened its doors in March of 2025, a rival to another Texas exchange, which you might have heard about, the TXSE, the Texas Stock Exchange. That was announced last summer, and from what I understand, it is scheduled to open in 2026. The Texas Stock Exchange, the one that is not open yet, is backed by financial powerhouses BlackRock and Citadel, and since it is a new exchange, they have a little bit more regulatory paperwork and hurdles to go through. The NYSE Texas, already being an existing exchange, was faster to get set up, and they beat the TXSE to the punch here in Texas. I think a natural question that people ask is, why do we need Texas stock exchanges in what is largely an electronic world financially these days? And that is a question I think that many people have, and it's a logical question. And I think that these exchanges coming to Texas are just a reflection of the shift in the economics, in culture, in technology. And look, Texas is a very large economic power. It is the second largest economy in the United States and the 8th largest economy in the world. With the exception of California, Texas is home to the most Fortune 500 companies in the United States, particularly in healthcare, energy, and technology. The other thing that businesses and the exchanges like about Texas is low taxes, minimal regulation, and a business-friendly regulatory environment, something that is difficult to find in some of the states on the East and West Coast. Add it all up and you've got companies and investors looking for ways to escape Wall Street's high cost and high regulatory environment. And the thought is, as these exchanges become located in Texas, it is going to generate even more economic growth and draw more global financial superpowers into Texas, and I'm excited about the prospects. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think about companies becoming dual listed? What do you think about Cinemark becoming dual listed on the NYSE Texas? If you have any questions or comments, drop them for me down below. I am Tony, and I will see you on the next video.